What's up guys, CC here and I'm back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of In the Kitchen with CC. I haven't done an In the Kitchen with CC episode in a long while, but I came through in my Jamaican top, so you know I'm coming and bringing some flavor back from yard. So happy Independence, Jamaica. Happy Independence to all the Jamaicans out there. It's August and we're celebrating all month long. Okay guys, so on the menu today we'll have some homemade Jamaican coconut drops. Hopefully you enjoy this recipe. Let's get straight into it. Okay guys, starting with the main ingredients. Here I have my coconut that I've already removed from the shell, and I'm cutting it into strips, and then I'm going to go in and cut them into smaller pieces. Go ahead and repeat the same process with your ginger. Here I'm just removing some of the skin, and then I'm going to go in and cut it up as fine as I can. If you have a food processor, it would be much easier, but if you don't, child, go ahead and do it the old-fashioned way. You'll be just fine. Let's get started guys. Go ahead and put 2 cups of water to boil, and we're gonna add our cinnamon and ginger to the pot. If you're using cinnamon stick, you could add 1 to the pot, and we're gonna add a dash of salt. Now it's time to add our sugar, and I'm using 2 cups of sugar. If you want the candy to be sweet, go ahead and use 3 or 2.5 cups of sugar. Now the waiting game begins. We're gonna let this boil for a few minutes on high heat. Then we could decrease the heat to medium and let it boil for 45 minutes to an hour. It's going to take a while because we're trying to get the water to evaporate and leave us with a thick texture. This is the consistency that we're trying to get. It's nice and thick. So now we're ready to drop our coconut drops. I think this plays a huge part into why we call it coconut drops, because once you reach this stage in the process, all you're doing is scooping up the coconut and the mixture and dropping it on your sheet. You could use foil paper or you could use wax paper. Minutes later, your candy will be done. It will be hardened and you'll be able to pull it apart from your sheet and start eating your candy. This is going to taste really good guys. You could taste the cinnamon, you could taste the ginger. It's just really good. So right now I'm just removing the excess from around the drop. You could still eat those parts, which I did, but just to make it pretty, I removed the excess and we have our coconut drops. If you have kids, it would be fun to do it with them in the kitchen. And if you're just feeling for some sweets and you have some coconut, it's a good recipe. And I'm sure you guys will enjoy this. Thanks for watching today's video. Hopefully you enjoy the recipe. Hopefully you get to try it. And tag us on Instagram if you do. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.